So I just got the Ferrari back on the road after its annual 6-month winter break. And it's reminded me how different this whole ownership experience has been since I first got my Ferrari 10 years ago. Because I must admit, what I thought the whole ownership experience was going to feel like and what it's become, they're totally different things. In the beginning, there's fear. Every noise feels expensive. Every drive feels risky. You're constantly overthinking it. But over time, that changes. You start to understand the car, you recognize what's normal, and you begin to trust it. The same thing happens with mileage. At first, I was protecting it, thinking about resale, telling myself I should save the car. But that fades too. Miles start to matter less, and experiences matter a lot more. And something else happens. What people think is a complicated, fragile car actually becomes easy to live with. Once you understand it, it becomes predictable. Ownership becomes simple. And probably the biggest difference of all is you stop treating it like a special occasion. In the beginning, every moment feels important. Every drive was planned. But eventually, it starts to become a normal thing for you. Drives become a lot more spontaneous, like this one. They're no longer planned. But in no way are they less special than now. But this is really when Ferrari ownership really starts to change for the better.